Hey, Will Snipezilla here. It is Friday, October 14th. We had a huge rush lower. So we had a break in market structure and it went down and tagged the session low. So I am overall bearish, but looking to just do a quick scalp on these sell stops being rated down here. So what I'm looking for is just you can see that just took out this low and we're getting a push up. So I'm just looking for any type of fair value gap to get in. And you can see we have a pretty decent fair value gap that it could trade into. So this is kind of going against the grain, but this is something that's been pretty consistent for me. So this is kind of adding this into my toolbox. So you can see here, just kind of framing the trade here, just going to stick to 5.5 with a 4-point stop loss. And that does put us at the very bottom of that fair value gap. So this should be a pretty quick trade if this pans out, but overall expecting this to go lower after this. And you can see we're tagged out. So this has kind of been a setup that I've been using. After it did take out the session low. So that is one of the criteria. Just not necessarily trading in the overall direction, but if I can kind of get into the market and get these little quick scalps, I think it'll be beneficial in the long run. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll do the account review. All right, so account review. We are currently at 657.90 out of 3,000. I'd say we're progressing like pretty solid so far. Just taking into consideration that we have only completed 5 trading days and just shooting for about 250 a week. We are on track. Even though we had a little bit of a losing streak, I think I just need to kind of tighten up that if I do take a losing trade, just kind of step away for the day. Like that'll be it. So we can take a look here. Our high was 50,819. We're currently a little bit lower than that, which is okay. My worst day, 419, had two losses. So I've stuck to the 2 trade max per day. So if we go down here, we have 1, 2, 2, 1. So this was from the 14th. You can see that was a really quick trade, 20 seconds. And that's kind of what I was going for that little scalp after a huge rush lower. But you can see here, our trailing balance is at 49,399.10, and the max drawdown is at 48,819. So that stays as once you make a equity high. So I'm just kind of taking my time on this one, not trying to rush anything. But yeah, we'll follow up if we take any trades next week. Thanks for watching.